What have we found, guys?
Well, I'm helping them because Salish doesn't know what to do.
Okay, well, talk me through it. What have you found here?
The motor.
Okay.
Oh, I see the electromagnet.
And the filter.
And a bracelet.
So can you show me where you think the electromagnet is?
Inside here.
It's inside here.
We lift it up and show the camera.
Should be right inside here.
Okay. So you can see the wire. Can you see the iron core?
Yes. Yes.
Cool. Keep working. There's a tool over there called the I like to call the jaws of life that the ladies opening the hairdryer have. If you need that. So, gents, where's your there's your little electromagnet out of your toy car. Very nice. And I would keep that with you to have on display for the fair day. And you're working on your observations? Okay, hairdryer girls. Here's our coil of wire. That's right.
The thing is, oh, it feels like silky. It's gross.
So let's hear your Conair commercial.
Oh my god. Very strong and
So
durable.
it's still in there.
Yeah, we're just gonna get these screws out.
Okay.
This
Oh, yes, finally. This is taken all period.
Yes. And it has a bunch of hairs on it.
And so what is that, ladies?
Electromagnet.
Is it?
I think so.
How do you know?
Yeah. Because this was like the centered part where everything was connected to the wires.
Now, what do you think is inside there?
Coil. Plus a wire.
I'm going to come back and I want you to, when I come back, I want you to tell me whether you still think that's the electromagnet.
Wait a second. It's probably inside.
So if the electromagnet is inside, then what is that?
I don't know.
Think on that. I'll be back.
We have two.
Electromagnets in ours. And then we have this one. So,
Show me again.
let's see the wire, and then the iron core, and then the permanent magnet.
There you
And
go.
then,
And then there's another one.
yeah.
Now, so this one was in the top, right?
Yes.
And that one was in the bottom. So how do you think those work together?
They like attract each other, and then
Because that's what you'll want to explain when you're explaining how your speaker works in your presentation. Good job.
because like the alternating current makes them like, that's what makes them vibrate, right?
That's what you're going to confirm with your research.
Okay.
Okay. What you got there, gentlemen?
Oh, this is like the fan, like the cooling system that like, cools the computer when it's getting hot.
And why are you pulling that part out? What do you think?
It might be an electromagnet magnet in there, but we're not sure, so we're just gonna look around and see if we find anything.
Okay.
But we already did find one electromagnet, which is this, and
What is that?
that's a speaker, because like this is where the sound waves come out. So when you see like big speakers at parties, these are like the parts that are pulsing, and then the electromagnet is right there. And we kind of found out that it was an electromagnet by just like we were like looking around, and it felt just like snap down on this, and we were like, wait, what? That's a magnet. So.
And I'd even like for you to open up that little speaker and see what you find as well.
Oh, okay, okay.
This was a printer.
Yeah. Can I? No, you have the little one, right?
And what have you found?
There's over there. Liv, grab that metal thing over there,
Please.
please. This rotates this from the inside, and then the battery over there connects to a piece of metal in this motor, and then it powers the ink, which is over here, which had the ink cartridge in it here, and then we had a longer. And then those.
Okay. Now,
That has ink in it.
what is this again that you're holding? So we know you've decided that it turns.
It's the motor.
Okay. So what I'd like you to do is take that apart further.
Okay, I don't know how I'm going to. This has.
You'll figure it out.
I don't want to like break it. 'Cause
It's got
the-
some. Look on this side. It's got a few screws. Okay.
Right. Can you hear me the?
Good job. Samson, you're documenting some of your observations.
Well, I'm trying to find like a part thing, like a list of parts, so I can look at the parts that we took apart and see what the names of them are.
Okay.
But we also did our little document here.
And that'll help you when you're going to make your presentation as well.
Okay.
Day 2. So, Justin, what was this out of?
This was out of our toy motorcycle.
Okay, stop it so we can see the moon. Cool. And what makes it do that?
The relationship between electricity and magnetism.
How?
Because the coils of wire are wrapped around an iron core, and that makes that thing spin.
Why?
Because
Come on, team. Why?
yeah, Braden.
Coils of wire wrapped around an iron core. And what are you doing right now?
Oh, it makes an electric motor.
Why?
Because it transforms electric energy into mechanical energy, which makes that turn.
So you're adding.
Electric
Electricity.
current.
Okay.